Leash is amazing. Leash is the equalizer, guys. It's up 16% of the day, and all-time high is $8,000. All-time high. I do believe it's going to meet all-time highs. So if you got Leash when it was way down here, Leash was as low as, if I go back here, as low as $761, and it's $3,246. And let's talk about Leash and some of the news right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Look at this, Leash. Look at this, Leash. Look at this, Leash. Look at this, Leash. And look at this, Leash. All this is news within the last few weeks, and it's going to make this price go even higher. Why? More eyeballs. They can get to the point where, yes, you can get it on Shiba Swap that you see here, but then you see exchanges right there. There's an exchange. Okay, Bitcoin, that's an exchange right there that you can get Leash. And then here's another one. Bitmart recently, an exchange. The Doge Killer listed on Bitmart. That's another one recently. Boom, look at this. SHIB and Leash are available on _Co. That's another place you can get your Leash. Oh, there's more. There's another. SHIB and Leash burn recently. The date here is October 30th, which is just yesterday. Today, it's October 31st on a Sunday. There's burn, there's exchanges, there's more notoriety, there's more exchanges, there's more notoriety, and it's going to help the Shiba Trifecta, SHIB, Bone, and Leash, and more. So to me, I understand Leash is up there in price. I get that. But if you do own Leash, a piece of a Leash, enjoy, in my opinion. This is just my opinion. Because I looked at this, I'm like, well, it only has 107,000 in the circulating supply, total supply. Oh my goodness. Even though it went all-time high in 8,000, if I go back over here and I show you, once again, we're going to surpass $8,900. Because here's the thing, back in May, it didn't have this type of notoriety. It didn't have this type of, eyeballs looking at Leash. And so now, with SHIB moving up in price, it's going to help Bone, it's going to help Leash, it's going to help the overall Shiba Swap ecosystem. So congratulations, if you own a Leash, man, you may want to hang on to that. I can't give you advice, but I'm hanging on to my Leashes with the S, and I'm enjoying this ride because Leash is kind of like, all right, it's the equalizer. I'm sitting here like, wow, all this attention on Leash, and you got to think about it. This $3,200 is going to continue going up, in my opinion, based off my research. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Little Timmy loved the little Leash, and Bone is another one. But I'll discuss that in another video. Don't forget to click on the link below. Learn about Leash, learn about Shiba, learn about Bone, because it is the trifecta, and I'll see you on the next video.